Hey, welcome. In this lecture, we are going to be able to store the added sizes to our provider. Now, to do this, we have to go to the provider folder and then the product underscore provider dot phi. And now we can use Control and B to make this wide. Control, Control and B. And now this is basically a list of sizes. So the type of value we are expecting is going to be list, and we are expecting test. So it's going to be a type, data type of string. And currently we are not assigning any value at this point. So we can make this a null, and we can call this size list. And again, we can check. In order to easy our life, we can just copy this. Sorry, not code. What am I doing? Size list. And over I'm just gonna duplicate this, Control and C to copy and paste this. And this is gonna be size list, size list, and the key is gonna be this, and okay, this. Control and C to save, and Control and B to make this smaller. Then we have to go to the attributes screen. Now what we can do is we can have a button to save the size. So scroll down, I think, I don't yet know where this ends. So I'm just gonna wait for this a bit to show. Okay, great. Now I can easily tell where each widget ends. And right after the pattern, right after the pattern, within the column, we can then have a widget known as elevated. It's gonna wait for this to finish in order to easily or to predict for me. This is taking longer than I expect. Okay, performing alt reload, performing alt reload. Please go on, please go on. Elevated, elevated button. Press this guide. Guide is gonna be a test widget, and this will say save. Okay. Use Ctrl and S to save. Sorry, yeah, Ctrl and S to save this. Okay, and let's go check it out. We should see the save button somewhere. Okay, we have that over there. And when we click on this, we want to be able to save, right? And it's a bit slow. Okay, so when we click on this save button, we want to be able to save. But what we can also do, we can show this button only when the size list is not empty. So we can say if size, I think we call this underscore size list dot is not empty. Only if it is not empty, then only we want to display this button over here, and we would not be seeing the save button currently since the sizes is currently empty. And now to save to our provider, we just have to say underscore product provider, then dot get from data, and size list is going to be equal to the size list. And this is it. This is it. So by doing this, we would save all the added size to our provider. And now let's try this out. Else, like I'm just gonna say L and hard. Then we got the save over here and small and seems cool. Seems really cool. Okay, see you in the next lecture.